This is Scotlandville Magnet High School. Today we are hosting our first annual engineering symposium. We have about 8 groups that will compete in the mechanical engineering competition today. We have here an advisory council that has been in effect for at least 9 years, but we also have high schools for engineering professions that has been here for over 30 years. And so the idea was pitched to the board, and they approved, of course, because it's an opportunity for kids to have hands-on experiences with some of the things that they will, see after high school.
The name of the program is HSCP, High School for Engineering Professions Symposium. This is our mass transfer symposium, and all the kids were required to build a mechanical device to launch a ball a certain distance, 15 to 30 feet away from the starting point.
Today is really the culmination of 2.5 months of work with the students being paired with mentors from ExxonMobil and Jacobs and other companies who've come out weekly, every week for the last 2.5 months to work with the students on designing their catapults to meet a certain set of specifications.
Ready for test number 3?
Yes.
Go.
In the pool. In the pool. Oh. In the pool. Wow. Yeah.
17 and 1/4.
Yeah.
Straight.
1 foot 5 1/4.
5 1/4.
Yep.
1 foot 5 1/4.
But it really teaches them the engineering process. It's been fantastic to watch them evolve through this.
Symposium has 30 students involved with the engineering competition, and then we have another 15 students with our business competition, but we have 257 students in the Academy of Engineering. The students are learning for the symposium, so they're learning the design process, they're learning the brainstorm, they had to make a materials list, so they're learning how to price objects. They also have to weigh their mechanism, so they're learning how to look at the weight and the cost, efficiency for their mechanism, and they're also learning how to present. They're learning the soft skills that's needed for today.
ExxonMobil is involved in the HSEP program because we're really investing in our own future. These students are potential employees down the road, so it's really important for us to invest in the community where we operate, and it's fantastic to see these students. And we've actually seen a few come and intern with us and are now going through the process. In engineering school, we have a few graduates working for us, so it's wonderful.
And we've exposed them to the real-world engineering type environment where they're forced to make their own decisions. It kind of gets them out of that classroom atmosphere and really challenges them to think outside the box, and we really encourage through the setup of the competition to push those limits of creativity. Mechanical engineering is a very diverse field, and so when you graduate with a degree in engineering, the sky's the limit. You can go any direction, and it can take you all over the world, and that's what we're trying to show them. Is that we have companies here from all walks of life. They do different things, very different things, and so we're hoping to be able just to show them that, and it really opens their horizons.
Barriere Construction is a heavy civil and asphalt paving contractor, and we are out here today to show support for the local high school community and give back and try to onboard high school students and get them more interested in the construction and engineering industry.
What type of jobs are available in the construction industry for students with a background in engineering?
Sure. We have a field engineer program that works directly with the project managers. Some students come on board and become heavy operators or plant operators.
The Baton Rouge Police Department is participating in this event because, we like to actively come out here and support our local schools, their robotics, kind of let them know that even in different situations on the police department, we got several robotics that we use. We got drones that we use as well, and some of the equipment that we use.
What kind of job opportunities are there in law enforcement for students with an engineering degree?
With the engineering degree, I'm on the bomb squad. It takes approximately 5 years to get in with the bomb squad. You have to go to a course that's mandated by the Federal Bureau of Investigations for the bomb squad. It's a 6-week course. With an engineering degree, you could probably get into some type of law enforcement agency that utilizes equipment such as the robots or the Romatech robot.
The building process for this contest was really hard because we had to build from scratch and a brand new launcher that would that tries to be innovative. We tried to be innovative with our project, so we made a cannon type of project. And we had to go through many designs before we settled on one, and then we went through the building process. The building process took a little bit longer because we went through 2 different designs until we finally came down to one final little catapult. It's going to bring it all the way back, and then we're going to pull it from a string 3 feet away, and it's going to launch it over the wall.
How many team members did you work with, and what did you learn by doing this project?
I worked with 1 team member and 3 different sponsors, and I learned that it has to come down to the team, because you can't do anything by yourself. You can do a lot of it by yourself, but you need help from other people, and you need guides to help you, show you where you need to put it, where you need to put the last screw, or where to put the last design.
We had trouble going through it, and it was a lot of work, but so far I think that it's paid off, because it was just like a great team effort, and we had fun building it, although the difficulty. It was just a fun experience, and it really helped me learn about the engineering fields.
I'm a junior here at Scotlandville, and my team learned so much as far as overcoming obstacles, working with machines that I never used before. So it was just a great experience to get open into different things here.
How do the company volunteers help you?
They helped a lot, but at the same time they wanted us to do most of the work. But they helped a lot as far as making us think inside and outside the box. Like, they helped us with ideas that were practical, non-practical, and helping us see the setup, prices, things that we needed help with.
How did the advisors from the companies help you?
They helped us because they told us what our challenges was and what we need to fix in order to be successful.
It helped us a lot because we thought when you're working with engineers that it's only about mathematics, science and stuff, but honestly it deals with a lot of numbers and a lot of percentages and a lot of research and stuff. And they helped us because we didn't really know what we were doing, and we got to learn a lot of stuff.
I learned that you could do anything if you put your mind to it.
What are your plans for college and a career?
I want to go into graphic design.
For college, I plan to attend Tulane University, and I will major in chemical engineering. But being a part of this program has given me a look into mechanical engineering, and it wasn't really that bad. So if I ever need to change my major, I think this would be a good fallback option.
I plan to attend Southeastern for business management and to open my own medical research center.
I'm actually undecided for now, but I'm trying to get experience with other fields so that I can know what I want to do, but so far I'm decided on either LA Tech or LSU.
After their junior year, because of the program that we have, our Academy of Engineering, the students will have an opportunity to have an internship after their junior year in high school, where they can actually go to the actual facilities where these mentors are coming from to see it firsthand. And then after high school, they can, of course, decide which college they want to go to. And while they're here, they have an opportunity to do college visits. So we have several great engineering schools in the state. And so they'll tour those schools and decide where they want to go after high school. But, they have an upper hand because they've had an opportunity to experience from 9th grade on up to their senior year and have an internship after junior year.
Being in the engineering realm, the financial opportunities are pretty good, especially right now. The oil petrochemical industry is really coming back alive. There's about to be a lot of hiring going on, and those jobs are actually pretty financially beneficial.
A STEM degree really opens so many doors, well beyond engineering. Obviously, I'm partial to engineering as an engineer myself, but it opens up opportunities in information technology, cybersecurity. The students are doing robotics. There's opens tons of doors for them in terms of high-paying job opportunities in the future for them.
I'm actually impressed because we have Baton Rouge Police Department here with their explosives, and we have some other construction companies Carriere came over with their equipment. So I'm really excited with the community support that we have, and with the students' ability to work in a short time, the 8 weeks, and to prepare launchers that can meet the goal.
We have an outstanding collaboration, especially when you consider our advisory board and the different companies that we have working with us, such as Exxon, Dow, Jacobs, Albemarle. They just come out, they lend a hand, they get hands-on with the kids so that they have experiences that they could not get at most other high schools.
I think this is great. It's wonderful to see everyone come on board and show support to the students, and we love to see the students get more involved with the engineering career path.
It's wonderful to see a plan come together. It's great to see the students so excited. We have the band here to help celebrate the occasion, so it's really wonderful.
I'm excited. I'm so glad to see so many kids out. The parents are out to support the community, the industry, the mentors. They're out as well. So, and you.
It's been good. You know, this is actually the inaugural event. And so, you know, there's been a lot of feeling out on this first one, and it's making us very excited for what's to come.
If people have questions like more information about this program, what should they do?
Please visit ScotlandvilleMagnetHSEP.org.